us.
Now, Public Service Cabinet Secretary Geoffrey Ruku has directed all government institutions to migrate to a centralized and tamper-proof human resource system within the next 2 months to curb payroll fraud and eliminate ghost workers. Speaking at the 12th Annual National Human Resource Management Congress in Mombasa, Ruku warned that institutions that fail to comply risk having their employees denied salaries and allowances. The CS said the directive follows a government audit that uncovered widespread payroll irregularities, including illegal salary payments, ghost workers, and interdicted officers allegedly continuing to receive salaries through fictitious bank accounts. He expressed concern that only 47 out of 575 state agencies have so far been enrolled on the HRS platform.
Remember we said you're coming from activity-based and the local. And then you say, this is our covered and understood. And then consistent.
For the human resource managers who are here and they work with the government agencies, and you know your agency is not onboarded on HRS, make sure in the next 2 months you have done what is required for your institution to be onboarded on HRS. Failure to which a time is coming when we will not pay salaries and allowances of those institutions which have not onboarded on human resource information system.
Well, on that note, we wrap up week